Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix messenger call did not answer error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do, or the first fix that you can do here, is to just simply clear the cache and the data of your messenger. So to do that, just go ahead and tap into your settings on your device, and then just tap onto your apps. Right here, as you can see on my screen, I'm going to tap into apps and then manage app, and then in here I'm just going to find messenger. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see the messenger. So tap into your messenger, and then tap into the storage usage, and then tap into your cache. Or sorry, if you don't need, it actually depends on your device. So in here, if I tap into my storage, I'm going to see a clear data button on the very bottom part of my screen. So I'm just going to tap clear data and then clear data and cache. So okay, then tap again and clear cache also. So next, what you can do is to just simply update your messenger. So go ahead and tap into your Play Store. If you're using a iPhone, or if you're using a device, go ahead and tap into if you're using an Android, tap into your Play Store, and then if you're using an iPhone, go ahead and tap into your App Store, and then here just search Messenger, just like that, and see if an update is available for your messenger. And if an update is available, you just go ahead and install it into your device, and that's it for this video. And I hope the process that I told you or showed you fixed the problem that the messenger did not messenger call did not answer. So that's it, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.